Hello everyone, welcome back to TechSolve. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to lock your Google Chrome browser by using an extension called LockPW. Mostly, people use Google Chrome browser for better and fast browsing experience. That's why Google Chrome is most popular and cool browser right now in the competition. You can sync your favorite bookmark, website, password like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and many more by using your Google account. So now we need to secure our Google Chrome so that no one can use your Google Chrome browser except you, and also you can remove it from your browser. Now jump to the Google Chrome browser, go to this three dot option and click on it. Go the more tool option and click on extension. Now you see this kind of interface. Now click on the three line icon. In the bottom, you see Open Chrome Web Store option. Now click on it. Web Store will open in new tab. Now go to the search option and type LockPW and press enter. Now the LockPW extension will be appear and click on it. Now click on the Add to Chrome button and click on Add Extension button. It will add on your browser. Now click on Next and type your password. Repeat your password and type your password hint and click on Save. And now you will see this. The password protection is turned on. Now close your browser and try to open your Google Chrome browser. It will ask you for password. Type your password and press enter. For remove or turn off your extension, again go to the three dot option and click on it. Go to more tool option and click on extension. Now you can remove it or turn it off or keep it on your browser. So that's all guys. If you like this video, please like it and share this video with your friends. And yes, if you have any question, put this in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks.